Molding a man takes dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man, build your integrity. Molding a...
Hello, mothers and fathers out there. I want to try to talk to you for a second about helping you with your son and creating a great man in this world for him to do good things. I wrote 4 books that I believe will help him find his way through the world, navigating and becoming a great man. And they're very short books. They're not, long or overbearing. It's common sense information, plain talk that everyone can understand. And if you buy it for him, I think he'll learn to respect that decision that you gave him something to read. Most kids don't want to read, but you gave him something to read, and this is going to be a very defining moment in his life because you want to help him become a great man. So mothers and fathers, don't be afraid. Buy the books and give them to your son, the young man in your life that you want to help become a great man. It's well worth it, I believe.
Society places immense expectations on young men. Be strong, be successful, be the provider. These expectations can feel like a heavy weight on your shoulders. But here's the truth. Your journey is yours to define. You have your path and create a future that excites you. Don't let societal pressures dictate your dreams. You don't have to fit into a mold. Your uniqueness is your strength. Embrace it, cultivate it, let it fuel your ambition. The world needs your unique talents and perspectives. The first step is to believe in yourself and the incredible potential that lies within you. Self-belief is the spark that ignites action. It's the inner flame that drives you to take the first step towards your goals, no matter how daunting they may seem. It's the unwavering conviction in your ability to achieve your dreams, even when faced with challenges. This belief fuels your determination and keeps you moving forward, even when the path is steep and rocky. It's not about being arrogant or overconfident. Rather, it's about having a balanced understanding of your capabilities and limitations. It's about recognizing your strengths, acknowledging your weaknesses, and committing to constant growth. This self-awareness allows you to set realistic goals and work diligently towards them. When you believe in yourself, you radiate confidence. You take risks. You persevere through setbacks. This resilience is what sets you apart and propels you toward success. You attract opportunities that align with your aspirations. The universe responds to your positive energy and opens doors that you never thought possible. Self-doubt, on the other hand, can be paralyzing. It creates barriers that prevent you from stepping out of your comfort zone. It can keep you trapped in your comfort zone, preventing you from reaching your full potential. Overcoming this doubt is crucial for personal growth and achievement. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Your potential is limitless when you harness the power of self-belief. Start by acknowledging your past successes, no matter how small. Each victory is a testament to your abilities and a stepping stone towards greater achievements. Let those victories fuel your belief in what you can accomplish. Embrace the journey with confidence and watch as you transform your dreams into reality. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath and let your mind wander. Imagine yourself living your dream life. Picture every detail vividly. What do you see? What do you feel? Where are you? Who are you with? Visualization is a powerful tool that can transform your dreams into reality. It allows you to experience your goals in your mind before they manifest in the physical world. When you vividly imagine your desired outcomes, you create a roadmap for your subconscious mind to follow. This mental rehearsal prepares you for success. You start to attract opportunities and make decisions that align with your vision. Your actions become more intentional and focused. Visualization is not just about daydreaming, it's about creating a clear mental picture of your goals, complete with the emotions, sights, and sounds that come with achieving them. Feel the excitement, the joy, and the sense of accomplishment. Create a vision board. Write down your goals. These tangible reminders keep you focused and motivated. Surround yourself with images that represent your dreams. Let them serve as daily inspiration. The more you immerse yourself in your vision, the more real it becomes. Believe in the power of your mind to shape your reality.
Hello everyone. Life is very short, but if we had great information that would help us navigate through this life in a much faster, much better way, that would be a great thing. And I have 4 books that I believe will help young men become great men. So look it up, don't hesitate. Just look at the books, see if they have information in there that'll help you become a great man, or help your son, mothers and fathers, for him to become a great man. Life's too short, and if you get information fast enough, you can enjoy life much better. My books will help you do that, I believe.
Charting your course. The power of planning. Planning is the compass that guides us through the journey of life, helping us navigate through the unknown and reach our desired destinations. A dream without a plan is just a wish. To transform your dreams into reality, you need a well-thought-out plan that outlines the steps you need to take. Once you have a clear vision, it's time to break it down into actionable steps. This involves identifying the resources you need, setting deadlines, and creating a roadmap that will guide you. Planning is essential for turning your dreams into tangible achievements. It helps you stay organized, focused, and motivated, ensuring that you make steady progress towards your goals. It provides you with a roadmap, guiding you through the challenges and keeping you focused on your goals. With a plan in place, you can anticipate obstacles and find ways to overcome them. Start by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. These SMART goals will give you a clear direction and make it easier to track your progress. Break down large goals into smaller milestones. This approach makes them less daunting and provides you with a sense of accomplishment as you achieve each step. Celebrating these small victories keeps you motivated and encourages you to keep moving forward. Remember, a plan is not set in stone. It's a living document that should evolve as you progress and encounter new challenges and opportunities. Be flexible and adapt as needed. Life is unpredictable, and being able to adjust your plans will help you stay on track even when things don't go as expected. Life is full of surprises, and your plan should be agile enough to accommodate them. Embrace the unexpected and use it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Knowledge is power fueling your potential. In today's rapidly evolving world, knowledge is your greatest asset. Never stop learning. Formal education provides a foundation, but it's your thirst for knowledge and continuous skill development that will set you apart. Identify your areas of interest and pursue them with passion. Books, attend workshops, take online courses, and seek out mentors who can guide you. Embrace new technologies and stay ahead of the curve. The more you invest in your knowledge and skills, the more valuable you become. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey. Embrace it with enthusiasm, and you'll be amazed by the opportunities that open up to you. Small wins, big victories, the journey of progress. The journey to success is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. The key is to focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate your small wins along the way. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a victory worth acknowledging. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a stepping stone. Learn from your mistakes, adjust your approach, and keep moving forward. The most successful people in the world have faced their share of setbacks. Remember, your journey is unique. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your own progress and celebrate your achievements, big or small. Embrace the journey, from dreamer to achiever. From young dreamer to great achiever, your journey is a testament to your potential. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop learning and growing. Believe in yourself, visualize your dreams, plan your path, and take action. The world is full of possibilities. Step into your power and create a future that inspires you and leaves a positive impact on the world. Your journey starts now. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Embrace the journey and become the best version of yourself.
Hello everyone, I want to thank you for watching my videos, and I would ask that you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment so that I know I'm helping somebody by you commenting on them, liking them, or subscribing to my channel. This way I can get more coverage and reach more people. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Dedication, more than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependence.